In this video, I'll show you how to create a promotional style opening where price tag elements appear on the screen and reveal your video in a clear and engaging way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the effect works as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find price tags, then apply it. Once applied, tag style elements pop or slide into view, revealing the video underneath with a promotional and clean look. Use the duration slider to control how fast the tags appear. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down for a more deliberate effect. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the tag motion fits your product or message. And that's it. You've successfully added a price tag reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.